platform. Platform clear.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Alright, here we go. One down.
Oh yeah, I said I was gonna test the new POV format, but I guess I could wait for tomorrow.
What format?
I was just gonna have it looking down the gap the entire time.
Welcome
Came at
back.
the right time.
Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up on your safety restraint and exit carefully to your right down the ramp, taking all